Cloth diapering is an easy and stylish way to help you care for your child's bottom. I'm gonna help you make it simple. I got you. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a place where we put a lot of information to help you cloth diaper your child from infant through the toddler years. I'm a cloth diapering mama. I've been cloth diapering my 2 children for 4 years, and in that time, I've learned a lot of tips and tricks that can help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video every Thursday. In today's video, I'm going to share 8 benefits of cloth diapering your baby. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cost is already a big one. I'm going to delve deep into that one, but I'm going to do it at the end of the video. So if you want to see all my thoughts about the cost of cloth diapering, wait until the very end of the video. But in the meantime, I want you to drop me a comment below and tell me how much of your cloth diapering consideration is hinged on money. Give me a 1 to 5. 1 being it doesn't matter at all, and 5 being, oh my gosh, cloth diapering could save me a lot of money. Tell me how. The first benefit of cloth diapering your baby is that cloth diapers are breathable. Cloth diapers are often made of natural, absorbent, moisture-wicking materials that help draw wetness away from your baby. So oftentimes you'll see diapers with the interior that are made of like micro suede and microfiber, cotton, hemp, bamboo. And these materials help to draw the moisture away from your baby. And what that usually yields is that most cloth diapering babies do not have diaper rash because of the natural airflow that's able to get in that area. Pretty cool. The second benefit of cloth diapering is that children who use them typically toilet train or potty train faster. Cloth diapering children know how it feels to be wet, and that sensation usually makes them want to pull off pee diapers or poo diapers off of themselves when they get to that developmental milestone where that starts to bother them. Allowing the feeling of wetness often causes them to want to use the toilet or learn more about the toilet at a faster rate. So saves you money too in the long run. The third benefit of cloth diapering is that it's good for our earth. Y'all all know about global warming. It's looking real hot out here in these streets. Cloth diapering allows us to do the 3 R's that we all know from the EPA. Reduce, reuse, recycle. So you are reducing the amount of waste that you put into landfills by using cloth diapering, and you're recycling because you're washing and reusing the diapers. So it's a win-win for you and for the earth. Benefit number 4 has to be by far my favorite benefit of cloth diapering. Y'all, I know some of y'all will not believe me, but I don't know what a blowout is. I have never had a blowout happen. I've never been in a car and my child poops in the car seat and it's all over the car and a big mess, big hassle. That has not happened to me. Although I've never had a blowout diaper, I am empathetic because I know what projectile vomiting is like. The way cloth diapers are constructed, they are made to fit securely around the baby's thighs and up their back and around their midsection to contain any poops that might be volatile at that moment. Cloth diapering might sound like a lot of work on the front end of it, but the 5th benefit is that it's easy to use on the go. You just throw a couple of diapers in a bag and boom, you're out the door. The only thing you have to take with you is a wet bag to change the diaper into. So the same disposable diapers that you would throw into your diaper bag, just replace that with 5 cloth diapers, get your wet bag and head out the door. The 6th benefit of cloth diapering is a new one. We have never been in a pandemic in our lifetime. And now we know that diapers are a commodity. So when you can't get to a store, when you have to social distance, cloth diapering mamas do not run out of diapers. You just throw a load in the wash and keep it moving. It's a great benefit when you can just wash and do things at your time safely and securely in your own home. The 7th benefit of cloth diapering is that they are cute and they are stylish. I have paired so many cute outfits together for my daughter because of her cloth diapers, starting there as a base and building the outfit because they're just so cute. There is no need for bloomers. You don't want to cover up this cuteness when you have so many vibrant prints, so many cute, colorful diapers that will go with almost any outfit imaginable. Cloth diapers are chic. What I've done today is given an apples to apples comparison of disposable diapers and a cloth diapers, so we can kind of get our heads wrapped around the cost-saving benefits that cloth diapering provides. In this comparison, we are going to start with the premise that we own our cloth diapers, meaning that we have invested in a stash and we are washing our diapers at home. And this is in comparison to disposable diapers. The disposable diapers I'm going to use are the Honest Company diapers. I've chosen to use Honest Company diapers as a comparison because they market their diapers as an eco-friendly diaper that works well with hypoallergenic skin and is made with plant-based materials. Honest Company's website sells packages of 35 size 1 diapers for $11. In baby's first month of life, they go through about 10 to 12 diapers a day. So to get through a week of diapering, you would need 3 packs of Honest Company diapers at $33 per week. That's about $132 a month and just over $1,500 in diapering your baby through their first year. In comparison, for cloth diapering, a hearty stash of diapers is about 30 diapers. Now let's say you buy 30 diapers, and on the high end, let's say you spend $600 to $900 buying your stash. Now these diapers are usually one size, meaning they grow with your baby as they age. So there's usually snaps and buttons and digits and doodads that can help you age up the diaper appropriately. $600 to $900 for your complete stash. Done. All you have to do from that point is wash them, size them up as baby grows, and just keep on rocking with your cloth diapering. It is literally that easy, and you would save so much money. Now, my son was in cloth diapers until he was 2.5 years old. And so even if we rounded up my cloth diapering expenditure to $1,000 because maybe I saw a print that I liked, or maybe there was just something that warmed my heart about a particular diaper, so I would just buy a diaper here and there. I actually bought one super cute diaper for my daughter before I was even done diapering my son. I didn't even know I was having a daughter yet. I don't think I was pregnant. But yeah, it was too cute to pass up. Even if we rounded my expenditure to about $1,000, that's $2,000 that I saved over that time frame of cloth diapering my son. So cloth diapering is super economical. It really is. If you're looking at your budget, it's the way to go. And my numbers that I used were really on the high end. You can cloth diaper for the low, and I will get into that in a video in the future. That's so much money that we've saved that we could put into other things, helping him grow, buying him things that he needs, some of the things he wants, those kinds of things that we didn't have to spend that extra $2,000 on. I've enjoyed putting this video together for you. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you have, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the little bell so you'll know when I upload a new video next Thursday. Also, head over to clothcuties.com where you can read more tips and tricks to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Bye.